Are you tired of manually desqueezing your anamorphic footage? And have you ever wanted to just drag and drop a preset on your Sirui 1.6 times anamorphic footage and have it magically desqueeze? Well, look no further. I made these presets for myself, but I've heard and read a lot of people on the internet asking for an easier way to desqueeze, so here it is. Download the preset from the link in the description and unzip it. Then open Premiere Pro and in the effects section, right click on the animation presets, select add preset and select the downloaded preset to add. Once you do this, drag your Sirui anamorphic 1.6 times footage onto the timeline and drag one of the 4 presets onto the footage. The first 2 presets desqueeze to 1.5 or 1.6 times and that's it. The other 2 that are named crop desqueeze to 1.5 or 1.6 and crops in to make a final ratio of 2.4 to 1. The reason I made a 1.5 times version also is because I like my footage when it's desqueezed to 1.5 times rather than being desqueezed to 1.6, even though that is the lens, but to each their own. If you don't want to download anything at all, just import your footage onto the timeline, select all of them, right click, modify, and then interpret footage and desqueeze to 1.5 times. This is another way to do it. That's it. That's the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and like the video if you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll make a video to answer your question or reply to you in the comments. Thank you.